One of the other items that has special meaning to me in the auction was his original typewriter from college, because he was always a writer. Playboy was a very visual magazine, but it published the best fiction and nonfiction writing in America. In the same 25th anniversary year that we started the First Amendment Awards, we also did a roast tribute of Hef at Tavern on the Green. I found 50 of those typewriters in antique stores all around the country, and we sprayed them silver for the silver anniversary and put the table numbers in the typewriters with flowers coming out of them. And it was that roast that was when Clay Felker, the then editor of Esquire magazine, presented Hef with the famous overblown $5 bill, and that $5 bill with Hef in the center of it is one of the auction items.